Ever wondered what makes Cuban pizza so delicious and affordable? Well, you're not alone. This hidden culinary gem has been making waves in the food scene for its unique taste and pocket-friendly prices. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets behind this delectable dish and even guide you through the process of making one at home. Cuban pizza, unlike its Italian counterpart, is a product of necessity and innovation. When ingredients were scarce, the locals had to get creative with what they had, and thus the Cuban pizza was born. The dough, typically made from simple ingredients like flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt, is stretched out thin, allowing for a crispy crust that's simply irresistible. The toppings are where the Cuban pizza truly shines. A generous layer of homemade tomato sauce, a sprinkling of flavorful local cheese, and a variety of toppings from ham and chorizo to fresh bell peppers and olives. It's a symphony of flavors that strikes the perfect balance between savory and tangy, with a hint of sweetness from the caramelized toppings. Now, how about making your own Cuban pizza at home? It's easier than you think. Start by making the dough. Mix together 2 cups of flour with a teaspoon of salt, add a tablespoon of yeast, and gradually incorporate warm water until a dough forms. Knead it on a floured surface until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rest for about an hour. While the dough is resting, prepare the sauce. Sauté garlic and onions until they're soft, then add in crushed tomatoes, a pinch of sugar, and some oregano. Let it simmer until it thickens into a rich, flavorful sauce. Once the dough has risen, roll it out thin and place it on a baking sheet. Spread the sauce over the dough, add your toppings, and sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on top. Bake it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. To summarize, Cuban pizza is a delicious and affordable dish that's born out of creativity and necessity. With its crispy thin crust, homemade tomato sauce, and a variety of toppings, it's a culinary delight that's sure to impress. And the best part? You can easily make it at home with basic ingredients in a little bit of time. So, the next time you're craving pizza, why not give the Cuban style a try? It's a flavorful adventure that's sure to satisfy your taste buds without burning a hole in your pocket. Before we end this culinary journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes and food explorations. Until next time, happy cooking!